Now, one of the things that you might like to do when you come to Langkawi is to head into the tropical greenery. And we're going up to view one of the island's treasures, the Seven Wells. Now, it's a steep climb, but it's well worth it, because it's from up high that you can gain an appreciation of just how green and unspoilt Langkawi is, with the clean mountain streams cascading down to the sea. Oh, it's a lovely spot, great place for a picnic, and we picked up a few things this morning at the supermarket. We're just going to sit here on the rock and enjoy some cheese and biscuits and some sparkling apple juice. The tall jungle hides the little streams that spill into the swimming wells. The cool waters are refreshing and invigorating. The Telaga Tujuh waterfall plummets down from the Seven Wells, sending the crystal clear waters down the mountainside and eventually to the sea. Plenty of tropical rainfall ensures that you can enjoy this spectacle all year round. Five-star Oriental Village, in its glorious mountain setting, is an ideal midday stopover, where you can stroll the walkways, admire the stylish architecture, before making your choice of the international cuisine on offer. I'll start with the soup, if I may, please, John. Yep. Thank you. Great. So there's lots of different restaurants here, Johnny?
Yep.
Yep. What have they got? Chinese, Thai?
Chinese, Malay, Thai, Indian,
great.
Western.
Western. So people have got a choice here in Langkawi, haven't they?
You need at least a month to try all the food.
Oh,